welcome to the demo. Please enjoy your stay. If you want a really good video, lean over there and put your head right in that window right beside you. Let's do it, baby.
Throw it in park as I open the door. Baby, you wait in the truck. Old photographs scattered on the ground. Take a breath and my mind gets stuck. I can hear the screams, I can hear it all. Is it all just in my head? This whiskey bottle is keeping me sane, but I'm stuck in the past, that night in the rain. Flashing in the headlights, eyes like a forest fire, running out through the woods. Screaming through the treetops, crashing through the mountains. This guy is up to no good. My blood ran cold as my lights caught a flash of something out across the plains. I stood there staring at a blood-soaked human covered with fur in the rain. The night the werewolf came. The night he went insane. Bloodshed in the rain on the night the werewolf came. The night he went insane. Bloodshed in the rain on the night the werewolf came. The crowd gathered round out there in the woods with guns all ready for war. Shots were fired at the big black beast. I can still hear him roar. The rain that night was a hell of a storm, and the blood ran cold as ice. But no one saw him hit the ground as he ran